I am Dr. Khokon Kumar Datto. My Christian name is Dr. David Boone. I am currently serving as the chairman and assistant professor in the Department of Biochemistry and Molecular Biology in Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman Science and Technology University in Gopalganj, Bangladesh. The title of my discussion is W2476 is an inhibitor of TXNP or TBP2 signaling pathway and works against diabetes. Ting Li et al. Published an article in 2017 in the Journal of Acta Pharmacologica Sinica entitled W2476 ameliorates beta cell dysfunction and exerts therapeutic effects in mouse models of diabetes via modulation of the thyroidoxine interacting protein signaling pathway. The group succeeded to find W2476 as a modulator of thyroidoxine interacting protein signaling pathway after screening 256,000 synthetic compounds. They tested the effects of W2476 on TXNP expression in INS1E cells, mouse hepatocytes, L6 myotubes, and 3T3L1 adipocytes and found that W2476 suppressed TXNP in both dose and time dependent manner. W2476 inhibited the high glucose like 33.3 millimole per liter concentration induced death of INS1E cells. High glucose upregulated the presence of TXNP in INS1E cells and W2476 decreased TXNP in both 10 micromole per liter and 15 micromole per liter concentrations. High glucose increased both caspase 3 and caspase 9 cleavage in INS1E cells, which are associated with apoptotic cell death. TXNP is known to decrease the transcription of MAP-A and insulin. W2476 was found to increase both messenger RNA and protein of insulin in an environment with high glucose. W2476 was also found to alleviate the expression of MAPE. The preventive and therapeutic effects of W2476 in diabetes were also tested in vivo. The mice were treated with W2476 for 3 days. Then the W2476 treated mice were injected streptozotocin 40 mg per kg per day for 5 days. That usually induced diabetes in experimental mice. At day 17, the fasting glucose level in the control group raised 10.64 plus minus 0.88 millimole per liter. At day 17, the fasting glucose level in W2476 pre-treated group was normal, 7.78 plus minus 0.38 millimole per liter. The phenomenon was accompanied by a 49% reduction in TXNP protein. The OGTT test revealed healthy condition of islets in W2476 treated group. In immunohistochemistry, the islets structure are found severely disrupted in the control group and poor staining was found for insulin. On the other hand, normal staining for insulin in the healthy islets was seen in W2476 pre-treated group. In the next step, the effects of W2476 was evaluated after inducing diabetes in C57BL6 mice. The mice were given daily streptozotocin 40 mg per kg per day, IP injection for 5 days, and rested for 10 days. At day 15, mice were treated with W2476 200 mg per kg per day and vehicle 0.5% MC for the next 10 days. The fasting blood glucose levels in W2476 treated groups were reduced by 27.7% on day 25. The OGTT study showed that glucose ACT 0 to 120 values in W2476 animals were reduced by 23.8%. The diamice C57BL6 mice were fed HFD either for 6 weeks to create a pre-obese state or for 12 weeks to present overweight, hyperglycemic, hyperinsulinemic, and dyslipidemic features. This was followed by 6-week daily treatment of either W2476 200 mg per kg or 400 mg per kg, while the body weight on the last day of dosing and the average food intake during the 6-week treatment period did not significantly alter between HFD control and treatment group in both preventive and therapeutic experiments. Significant reduction in fasting blood glucose and plasma insulin levels were observed after the treatment. This was accompanied by improved ITT responses in W2476. W2476 significantly decreased pancreatic TSNP expression. Anyway, drugs targeting TSNP signaling pathway may bring better solution in diabetes treatment and prevention in near future. Thank you.